everyone, welcome back. It's time for a quick unboxing video. This is the Walmart Winter Beauty Box. So let's rip into this thing and see what we've got. Here we go. So okay. These are seasonal boxes from Walmart. You just pay $5 shipping, and you get just a little variety of samples. Nothing big, but just fun to open. And then first off is a little bulletin that you get inside. It shows you all of the items that you might potentially be getting. You get like usually 5 of them. I had to do this unboxing in place of my Misfits market because I had to cancel it due to the freezing weather. Last week's froze solid, so I didn't want to take the chance of that happening again. So our first item here is a Carousel Intensive Foot Repair, just for dry skin on your feet, which I super need right now because it's dead in the middle of winter and the air is just so dry. I just can't wait for spring. Next out, we have a little package of Bio Oil Dry Skin Gel, also very useful for the dry weather. I've heard good things about this, but I've never tried it, so I'm kind of happy to try that. And here we have a Calm Magnesium Supplement. I got this in my last box too. I haven't tried it yet, but now I've got 2. Next up, we have this little tube of Cetaphil Deep Hydration Healthy Glow Daily Cream. Again, another awesome moisturizing product for the winter. I'm going to put this on before I go to sleep tonight and give it a try. And of course, for these times, an awesome thing to have is hand sanitizer. This one is lemon basil. That sounds like an awesome fresh smell, so I just can't wait to get into that. Just a little informational card. And the final thing here is a number 7 Retinol Cream. It's the night concentrate. So we'll give that a try too. I just love experimenting with like facial creams and masks and scrubs and all that good stuff. So I'll throw this into my magic goodie bag and it'll go into the rotation. So I'll just put everything back out so you can take another look. In case you're interested in trying new products, it's a really good program that you can get a nice variety of things to sample for a really cheap price. Thanks so much for watching again, and I'll see you next time. Have a great week.